This is a traditional pen for goats here in Mpongwe. The owner is Mr. Mwinga here. Mr. Mwinga,
Yes, sir.
why did you construct your pen like this?
I did this
Well,
construction.
the design, why is the design like this?
We designed it like this because we don't want goats to have diseases under the hooves and to have maggots. And when they drop the drops, they should go down. If the drops or the goats they stay in the drops, they will have a lot of diseases, even some sores on their bodies. And this again, it protects the goats not to smell the same smell that is coming from their drops and from their urine.
Do you also keep the kids for the goats in the same pen
Yes,
with the...
yes. And when the manure or the drops down, that is good for the gardening. We can take this manure direct to the garden, or we burn this and mix with the fertilizer, and we'll have good vegetables, we'll have good maize. We can mix this even in urea fertilizer or fertilizer when it's been burned, and it's good fertilizer. Where you put one bag, you can put